First off, sorry if you get a bunch of wind noise. There's currently not a wall. So, and it's really windy out there. I don't know if you can see the white caps rolling in. But we'll do our best here. Hey guys, Ben Ferguson here. Excited to be considered for this position, and I know you guys are looking for a little bit of background about me. So I grew up in Alexandria, Minnesota. My family owned an excavating business that I worked in for nearly a decade before leaving that and going to school for mechanical engineering. Took a couple breaks from school, ultimately determined that school wasn't for me, but I still learned a ton while I was there about just the mechanics of equipment and machines, how everything works. Always had a knack for fixing things, and one of my passions that I've had throughout my whole life has been technology. Kind of led me into a couple of business ventures that I did myself. I was the co-founder of a business called Advanced Bone Technology that developed artificial human bones for testing of orthopedic devices, as well as a custom computer building and service business when I was in South Dakota. Pretty diverse background, obviously, you know, between the mechanical side of construction, which I'm actually building this house entirely myself, just with the help of my wife and her father. But you know, it's one of those things that the mechanical expertise and the technical expertise has been two big strong suits of mine in my entire life. So one thing about my snowmobiling history is that obviously growing up in Minnesota, there is not a lot to do in the winter except for snow sports. So I did a lot of snowmobiling growing up around here, as well as snowboarding. I actually competed in border cross for several years. And then my family would actually take frequent trips out to the mountains, typically either the Steamboat area or Jackson Hole. That we'd go out to my uncle's cabin near Jackson Hole. And it's kind of an off-grid cabin. We'd actually have to haul water up from the river and split wood for fires to heat it. Well guys, I appreciate you watching the video, and sorry it's a little bit of a quick and dirty throw together thing on a Friday afternoon, but hope this gives you some more information and insight into who I am, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.